Hello and welcome to these assembly instructions. This is your provided kit. Feel free to pause at the checkpoint so that you can catch up to the video. Start with part B, the base, and then fold it open. Next, take the main body and align the slots. Once aligned, fit the two parts together. Start by using the provided jigs. You'll notice that they're labeled S and L. The S jig is for the smaller shelf, which goes on the top. Use this jig to align the top shelf. Next, take the L jig and use it to align the middle and bottom shelves. Once everything is aligned, lay the stand on its side. From underneath the shelf, peel off the tape on the flaps and press firmly to secure in place. On the base, you'll notice that there are two blank parts. To cover these up, take the provided printed strips, peel off the backing, and then simply align and stick it in place. Now, take the clear bottle positioners and insert them into the shelves at an angle. Use the larger positioners on the bottom shelves and the smaller one on the top shelf. Now take the shelf strips. Peel off the backing tape on the shelves and then carefully align and stick the shelf strips in place. To use the kiter strips, simply take your Digi-8s, however many you have, and slide them inside the strips to display your pricing. Next, take the provided header, peel off the tape on the top of the stand, and then align the header using the guidelines at the top. Press down firmly to secure it. Remember to do this on both sides. And peel off the clear protective layer. To install the diffuser, remove it from its packet and take off the cap. Then remove the protective cork by pulling it upwards. Pull the rope so it sticks out slightly at the bottom. Then close the cap, inserting the rope through first. Now adjust the rope length as needed and place the diffuser onto the hook found inside the top section of the stand. Finally, take the provided wobbler, peel off the tape and align it where you prefer and press down firmly. Just make sure not to place it too close or directly over the black sense on the stand, as this will stop the music from playing. Please don't forget to peel off the clear protective layers all over the stand. Please do not skip the step, as if you do, the music and the stand will not work. To activate the soundbox, simply pull on the green strip that is found on the inside of the stand. And there you go. It's that easy.